Hello, Miss. Good night. My name is David Carlos.
My name is Josper. Hello, David.
Hi, Josper.
Please tell my audience this day buys.
Sure, it's an old telephone from 1939.
How interesting. What's difference do from vacuum the phone and the marine ones?
This phone was very expensive. It was black. It was made of buckley. It was twice disease. You could only call and answer.
So technology has evolved a lot.
Yes, that's true. Because nowadays phones come in different colors. They are made of plastic, ceramic, or other materials. They are small and thin, and they have many applications.
That's a great comparison, David.
Thank you, Josper. And what technological gap- gadget are you bringing?
I'm bringing an old television set from 1965.
Tell me what features it was.
Eight had eight brace, eight made of various materials, but it has same good boy that holds eight souls. Each average helps you come. Only see it in black and white, and it don't have in Romans candles.
There are many differences.
Excellent marriage, the base are shaped. They mix a box, two holes. They they can be placed in manage please you can watch them in high definition and you can control them with your mobile phone.
That's true. We can use them for singing, watching films, or for video games. Excellent contribution, Josper.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.